This is the Thamama silicone utensil set. I was gifted this by the brand, but my opinions are my own. It comes with a spoon, a slotted spatula, and a regular spatula. These are made with food-grade silicone. It is BPA free and it is also heat resistant. The silicone makes it safe to use on any cook surface, so it will not scratch up your pots and pans. And here at the top, it has a handle with a place to hook it. If you want to hang it on the wall, you can hook it up on a nail, or if you want to just store it in a canister, you can do that easily as well. Here, the slotted spoon is doing its job of letting all of the liquid drain out the bottom. And here I left this spoon for a few minutes in this boiling water. And when I came back, the handle was not too hot to touch, which I really love because a lot of my spoons become way too hot if I leave them in the pot for too long. Here you can see the spatula being used to flip these eggs, and it just does a seamless job. These are so easy to use and maneuver, and as you can see, it's not going to scratch up my pan at all. Also, these come in a lot of really beautiful color varieties as well. So overall, I've been really happy with this utensil set, and I highly recommend this product.